Today's tutorial, creating a digital wax-up with SmileFy's latest workflows. Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll guide you through the process of creating a digital wax-up using SmileFy's latest automated workflows and technologies. By the end of this session, you'll be able to produce a printable smile design during the first patient appointment, streamlining your workflow and enhancing patient satisfaction. Before creating the digital wax-up, it's essential to calibrate the patient's digital files. This step ensures that the frontal facial smile and intraoral scans are properly aligned and scaled for accurate smile design. Choose key landmarks. Select 3 distinct, easily identifiable points that are visible on both the intraoral scan and the facial photo. Recommended landmarks include midline incisal edge, the tip of the upper central incisor, canine tip, left, the most prominent point on the cusp of the left canine. Canine tip, right, the most prominent point on the cusp of the right canine. Once the reference points are set, you can use SmileFy's position and rotation tools to fine-tune the alignment for precise calibration. Additionally, enabling the outline option enhances visualization, making it easier to adjust the incisal edges and overall alignment. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, click the Save button in SmileFy. Ensure all adjustments, including position, rotation, and outline refinements, are finalized before saving. Once the cloud analysis is done, the icons for automated 3D design and simplified mockup will become active. By clicking on the simplified mockup icon, SmileFy will download the processed smile data from the cloud, allowing you to begin working on a patient-ready mockup. SmileFy automatically generates 2 occlusal curves to assist in creating an accurate and aesthetic smile design. Ideal symmetric occlusal curve. This curve represents the perfectly balanced and symmetric alignment of the teeth. It serves as a reference for designing an ideal smile that fits universally recognized aesthetic standards. Patient's arch occlusal curve. This curve follows the natural shape of the patient's dental arch. It takes into account the existing anatomy, allowing for a more realistic and personalized design. Smile frame, setting the foundation for your smile design. The first step in the SmileFy design process is to set the smile frame, an innovative tool introduced by SmileFy in 2017. The smile frame provides a visual reference for essential parameters, ensuring that the smile design aligns perfectly with both aesthetic and functional goals. The smile frame is a guide that overlays the patient's smile design, helping you evaluate and adjust. Smile curve. The natural arc formed by the incisal edges of the upper teeth. Height, the vertical dimensions of each tooth in the design. Golden proportions, the balance and harmony between the width and height of teeth. Ratio, the proportion of each tooth relative to its neighbors. Curve of Spee, the anteroposterior curve of the occlusal surfaces. Occlusal plane, the horizontal plane that aligns the bite. SmileFy's Facial Flow AI analysis is a cutting-edge tool that helps you understand the patient's unique facial characteristics, ensuring that the smile design harmonizes with their natural features. This analysis plays a crucial role in the automatic smile design, incorporating the patient's facial flow for a personalized and aesthetic outcome. Selecting templates for tooth design. In the second step of the SmileFy workflow, you can choose from various tooth templates to define the desired shape, morphology, and buccal surface form. This step allows you to customize the smile design further, ensuring it aligns with both the patient's preferences and clinical needs. In the third step of the SmileFy workflow, you can refine the automatic smile design using a suite of innovative tools. SmileFy's group option is a powerful feature that allows you to reposition the entire smile design while preserving the relative position and rotation of all teeth. This tool is especially useful when you need to make holistic adjustments to the smile's placement without disrupting the carefully refined alignment and symmetry. The rotation feature in SmileFy provides an advanced option to decide the pivot point for each tooth during rotation. This powerful tool enables precise adjustments while maintaining the harmony and functionality of the smile design. You can choose from 3 pivot options. Center pivot rotates the tooth around its geometric center. Incisal edge pivot rotates the tooth using the incisal edge as the anchor. Gingival pivot rotates the tooth using the gingival margin as the anchor. In the 4th step of the SmileFy workflow, you will finalize the digital wax-up using powerful mesh editing brushes. This step focuses on 2 key adjustments. Adjusting gingival margins. Ensure the design fits seamlessly with the patient's gum line for a natural look. Deleting palatal areas. Remove unnecessary palatal material so the design is limited to the buccal surface, optimizing for mock-up printing and patient comfort. One of SmileFy's most innovative and unique features is its AI interproximal analysis and correction tool. This cutting-edge technology ensures the digital wax-up includes optimal interproximal contacts, enhancing the fit, function, and aesthetics of the smile design. In Step 5, SmileFy enables you to visualize the smile design using its advanced 3D rendering feature. This tool allows you to see the smile in a realistic, high-quality preview, complete with natural light and reflections, providing an accurate representation of the final outcome. In Step 6, SmileFy makes it easy to prepare your smile design for 3D printing by unifying the intraoral scan with the finalized design in just one click. The platform also allows you to close the mesh and choose from several output options, such as creating a printable wax-up model or composite veneer models for the injectable composite technique.